This is the Royal Society Westminster Pairing Scheme, which is bringing together researchers and parliamentarians.
We have a chance to experience each other's jobs and work out what each other's priorities are. I think Parliament is too remote from where research, science and indeed academia is. It updates our view of how things work, how things are financed and how that research is interfaced into the future technology agendas in the country, and I think that is the area that interests me most.
So Lord Fox is a member of the Economics Affairs Committee and I get to witness one of the evidence sessions there, and it was really interesting to see the knowledge in the room and the expertise present at those select committees, which I think is generally underappreciated. What was really interesting to see is how some of the select committee works, to understand the process of, say, a law going through and the way amendments work, to then understand where can we provide information. Policymakers won't have the time to read academic papers, so they're really depending on us to make the effort to write a concise summary and really target their needs.
The work that Philipp's doing around renewable energy is, of course, one of the most important things that Parliament has to work out how to do. And when it comes to important technologies like floating wind production, for example, which is going to be one of the really most important technologies, Philipp's work here in Exeter University is absolutely central to how that gets deployed. Almost no research today is done without collaborations, and one of the key areas of competence that a modern university has to have is to build those relationships with other academic and research organisations and relationships with the private sector. If we don't get this right, if the technologies that we need aren't nurtured and aren't brought into the market, then we won't reach the important climate targets that we have for this country.